Subscribe to my channel Distraction Roots and be a part of the Distraction Roots family. And also, you can follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Hi, hello, and welcome to yet another video of Distraction Roots. This is a different video as I am going out on a bike ride with the DRCB group. The DRCB is like the Dominos Riders Club Bangalore. So this is my first ride after being a Dominar owner. We are going to Coorg actually today, and yes, I am here with my Eclipse, and I am going towards Coorg with this beautiful gang from the DRCB. And remember, this is my first time with the DRCB, and I am meeting these guys for the first time. You're watching Distraction Roots, and this is Tom here. Actually, we had planned to go via Pole Narsipura. So the meter point was Parleji Tollgate on Tumkur Road, and we all met up like around 2 o'clock, and we started the ride now at like around 2:15 p.m. and we are heading towards Coorg. And now we will be going towards Nelmangla, crossing Nelmangla and taking a left towards the Hassan Road. Yeah, we entered the Hassan Road right now, and the road is fantastic. You can see here the roads are beautiful, and you can cruise like anything. You can cruise at hundreds easily. You can close your eyes and cruise, and the roads are fantastic. Normally, the people going to Coorg from Bangalore, they use the Mysore highway and then go to Mysore and then go towards Coorg. But actually, we decided to go through Holeni-Narsipura or use this Hassan Road because the roads are very good and pretty decent, and you can cruise easily. Because the roads are good, we chose this route and we are going towards Holeni-Narsipura. Now we have reached Kunigal and moving towards Yadiur. We crossed Yadiur and are going forward, and we stopped here for a tea break. We had our tea and snacks, and it was a good pit stop. We got good rest here. So there is everyone gearing up. They are wearing on their helmets. They're already in their gears. They're wearing their helmets and getting onto their bikes, and we are ready to zoom again. This was a good pit stop. We got some relief. We had a good break, and we are about to continue right now. I can't stop myself from saying about these roads. The roads are fantastic, and Dominar does a wonderful job or a great job on such highways. You can cruise easily, you don't get to know anything, you will be just cruising, and only you will be able to feel the air, and it's a fantastic feeling. Right now, I'm like flying, and it feels awesome. We just crossed Jogipura, and it is time for us to exit this beautiful Hassan Road, and we will be going towards Chennarayapatna. Taking this left, and we will be going towards Chennarayapatna. This is the exit exactly. So we will be going towards Coorg, and from here on, it is not the highway like this. It will be village roads and single lane roads. So we should be a little more careful, and we will slow down, and our pace will be slow. Just reached Chennarayapatna town. When we are riding through these small towns and all these areas, we must be very slow and very careful because the local people here, they will be riding however they want to. You see the tractors and all that. It's very difficult. So slow down your pace. Maximum in your 40s is the safe limit when you're crossing such village towns. And also stay safe and be careful and be vigilant. These village roads are superb and they are wonderful to ride. Even though those are single lanes, there is not much of a traffic and you can have a great time riding on these roads. And also, if you are riding, you have some problems or you have something like that, you just take out your bike, go on a ride like this. It will erase everything. All the problems will be solved or you will get relief for it. I do it myself because if I am in some kind of a problem or some sort of a problem, just take your bikes. If you ride, if you don't like bikes, if you like cars, take out your cars, go on a long drive like this. Everything you will forget everything and you will be just cruising. And once you're back home, I am guaranteeing you will be away from all those problems and you will be seriously off it. So riding through these villages, it also teaches you like how people are struggling there, how the farmers are struggling, and their day-to-day life, how it is. They are simple, they don't have internet, they don't have any other things like us, no luxury, but still they are living happily. So seeing that also, it gives us encouragement to strive further again and again forward. Now I'm in complete village and you can see both sides completely with crops. The left side is corn and ragi and all that stuff. Right side you have coconut. So I believe most of the coconuts coming to Bangalore are from this area. And right now you can see a KSRTC bus coming opposite to me. Yes, that's a bus that comes from Chennaraipatna to Bangalore. So that's a bus from KSRTC. That is the Karnataka State Road Transportation bus that is going towards Bangalore. And you can see all the areas. These are beautiful roads and beautiful village people, and it is wonderful riding on these roads. I cannot stop myself from repeating it again and again. Yes, it's really beautiful. I was in this DRCB group for more than a year from the time that I bought my Dominar, my Eclipse. But I never met these people. Only through the group or through the messages I knew each of them. And today is when I really met them. And I don't know any of them personally, and I don't even know their names. I'm just riding along with them, hoping that once I reach there, I will get along with them very well and meet them and have a great time. And they are very cooperative as of now. Till now I'm very happy being with them. They are like, you have a lead going in the front and also a sweep. So that is how they normally ride. This is the first time I'm going on a group ride also, so I am not very much aware how it is done. Normally it is done like there's a lead who goes in the front and there's a sweep at the back. So all of the riders will be in between these two lead and the sweep. The sweep carries all the people and both, and there will be intercom connection between the lead and the sweep. And now you can see the sun is setting, and the sunset is really beautiful, and we are passing through a canal right now. I just passed on top of a canal and it's really beautiful. After riding for about 4 hours, we reached this beautiful location, this beautiful lake, and we stopped here for another rest. It's a beautiful place, and we thought we will get down and take some beautiful pics. And it will come out really well, I believe, with the lake in the background. And yes, we took some really good pics, and we are starting our journey back towards Coorg. It's a beautiful place, and we've got beautiful pics. So now the time is like around 7 p.m. and we just crossed the small part of Nagarhole Reserve that was on this road. And me and Mithun Bhai, you can see him in front. This is the first time I'm talking to him personally because we both were in front. He was the lead and I was following him. We came here and we waited for around 20 minutes for others to come by, and they just crossed past us and we are starting back. And when we were in Nagarhole Reserve, I wanted to record. That's when I tried to turn on my GoPro, but that's when I realized the battery is down completely and it's zero and doesn't start. but because it was dark and in the forest region, I didn't want to stop and change the battery, so I couldn't record anything from the Nagarhole Reserve. So I'm going towards Coorg and the Evergreen County. It's like 10 kilometers from here, and I'm going along. I am not put my map, and I'm going along with Midun Bhai, who is in front of me. So he's leading me, and I'll be reaching there. Now reached Gonikoppal, and we are going towards the resort, and this area is Gonikoppal town. Actually, I don't like riding at night, and I don't prefer riding at night because I use glasses, and when there's an opposite vehicle coming in, I won't be able to see the road properly. And what happened is, waiting there, everybody went in front and I am left behind, and I tried to catch up with them, but I couldn't because I'm going slow on the road because there is opposite vehicles coming in and light flashing into my eyes, so I couldn't see the road. So I reduced my speed and I'm going, and I missed out on the gang. Also, I missed out on them, and I didn't have a navigation, or I had not switched on my navigation on the mobile, and I kept going and going, and I finally reached Virajpet. That's when I realized I missed the road or I lost them. Normally they wait at turns, but they thought I am also there along with them, and they went to the resort directly. They didn't wait at the turning, and what happened is I went till Virajpet, and I just realized I am on the wrong route. That's when I stopped at Virajpet. I put the navigation towards the resort, and meanwhile they also called me because they couldn't see me, or they couldn't see me in the resort, so they just called me, and I told them this is what happened. And I'm returning back from Virajpet to the Evergreen County Resort. Actually, the resort is between Gonikoppal and Virajpet, so it is in between that, and I missed the turn, and I went towards Virajpet, and now I am going towards the resort. So this is the route towards the resort, and it is completely dark and at night. So all of them are waiting there for me at the resort. After riding so long alone in the dark, I was finally relieved to see the board Evergreen County, and there they are waiting for me. Most of them have entered, they have finished their procedures, and they are waiting for me. And I've entered the Evergreen County, so I will park my vehicle and move towards the reception and continue for the journey in the resort, and also finish the procedures in the resort. So yes, finally I have reached here at the Evergreen County. You can see here it's completely dark everywhere. It's in the middle of a forest, or in the middle of a coffee plantation. So catch up with you guys with yet another exciting video, and I will make a vlog of this Evergreen County. So until then, it's bye, and Tom signing off from Evergreen County, Coorg.